Hello millennials! Welcome to my channel. So ayan, so today na ako yung nahunahunaan nga video content, and actually this content guys, actually dili siya bago nga content. Daan na ni siya, and ako na siya nahunahunaan because nag-trend ni siya karong na panahon kani siya nga content, no? So since quarantine season karon, or we are experiencing the pandemic, which is the COVID-19, di ba, most of our students are now learning through online. So ayan, so makisabay po ko sa uso. This content is all about learning English with me. So I will be teaching basic lang siguro sa nga English siguro to our viewers, to my millennials, and of course I believe that this would help also sa mga estudyante, no, while ga-browse sila sa ilahang computer, sa cellphone, ga YouTube, ayan. So pag ma-view nila nga video, hopefully they will learn something from you also. So you might wondering right now why we are in a white background. Siguro mag-online tutorial ta karong panahon na. No, just kidding. Bitaw, anyways, this content guys will teach you basic English. So let's begin. Hi millennials! Welcome back to my video. So now let's begin, and we will learn English. So before tayo magsugod, no, I'd like you to meet my buddy. Ayan, my best friend. Siya nga atong kauban karon millennials nga mag-learn og English. So his name is Mr. English. Say hi to them. Hi millennials! Ayan, so he is Mr. English. Alright, so let's begin. So our topic for today, millennials, is all about the type of sentences according to its uses. So, before nato i-introduce ang topic, naapod tayo mga target or mga goals, or shall I say objectives for this lesson, no? So first, for our lesson, no? So first objective is, at the end of this video, our viewers or our millennials will be able to classify sentences according to their uses. Alright, and second target is, at the end of this video, our viewers or our learners will be able to read sentences according or correctly and clearly with expressions. Ayan. And lastly, at the end of this video, our viewers or our learners will be able to construct declarative, interrogative, imperative, and of course, exclamatory sentence. Okay, ayan. So let's go directly to our topic. What are those types of sentences di ay tuod? What are those type of sentences nga atong ginagamit para makakonstruct ta og sakto or correct na sentence? Depende pud sa ihang gamit, no? So first is we have the declarative sentence. Second, we have the interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence, and for our fourth, we have exclamatory sentence. So kan sila nga mga sentences, millennials, para aha sila gamiton. Og what does these types of sentences means, no? So we will first define the meaning of the first type of sentence, which is the declarative sentence. So naana ni ang iyang description, okay, or definition rather. So ang declarative sentence is a type of sentence that states a fact. Remember, a type of sentence that states a fact. Fact, tinuod. Okay, this word can be used to describe any action or speech that makes a statement. Oh, take note guys, this word states a fact and is used to describe any action or speech that makes a sentence. Okay. So, let's give an example. My buddy, Mr. English, let's give an example para mas masabtan gid nila unsa ang declarative sentence. So again, take note, ang declarative sentence is a sentence that states a fact. So let's say for example, currently we are experiencing the pandemic named COVID-19. So that is a declarative sentence because simply I am declaring that nowadays we are experiencing the pandemic, which is the COVID-19, which is true naman, di ba? Tinuod, di ba? Okay, so nag-experience kita karon ana nga pandemic, mga millennials. And don't forget that this sentence should be ended up with, or should end up with period. Dapat period gid siya, guys. After sa sentence, period gid siya. Okay? So another example. I am wearing a white with red neckline t-shirt. Again, I am wearing a white with red neckline t-shirt. Period. So, that sentence is an example of a declarative sentence because I am simply declaring that I am wearing a white with a red neckline t-shirt. Tinuod siya. Okay? It states a fact. Okay, so I hope nasabtan ang declarative sentence, no? So, let's proceed to our next type of sentence, which is the interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? This is a type of sentence that asks a question. So, asking question. So, when we say asking question, automatically or kanang expected na siya nga kana siya nga sentence nag-end siya og question mark. Okay? Question mark. So, again, interrogative sentence is a sentence that is asking a question. So, nangutan na siya. Let's say, for example, what is your name? So, what is your name? So, the question ends up with a question mark. So, that is an interrogative sentence. In the sentences na nag-end og question mark, mga WH sentences, mga what, when, where, who, why, kana sila, guys. Kana sila nga mga sentences, basta na yung mga WH is nag-end na sila og question mark, which meaning to say also nga interrogative sentence na sila kan nag-end siya question mark. Okay, dili limtan basta nag-end og question mark ang isa ka sentence, it is an interrogative sentence. O diba, simple na kayong interrogative, guys. So, kato lang siya ang interrogative. So, let's do a short recap. First is the declarative sentence. This sentence ends up with a period and it states a fact. Okay, nag-declare siya og tinuod. Second is ang interrogative sentence. Ang interrogative sentence, muna siyang mga questions, guys. Mga sentence na nag-end og question mark. Okay? Pag mutana ka, asa ka padulong? So, syempre, nag-end siya question mark. So, interrogative sentence na siya. Okay? Gets? Alright. Let's proceed to our third type of sentence. Okay pa ka, Mr. English? Okay, so okay pa nga itong best buddy din, no? So, what is the third type of sentence? It is the imperative sentence. Okay, what is... Samot ang buhok ko napalpal sa hangin. Okay, so what is an imperative sentence? This is a type of sentence that gives advice or instructions or that expresses a request or command. So guys, millennials, take note. Imperative sentence, mano siya ang mga sentence nga gahatag og mga advices or instructions or non sila ko. This sentence expresses a request or a command. Let's have an example. Give me a few weeks to make up my mind. Or will you please give me a few days to prepare? Oh, so it's kinda, my second sentence, no, it's kinda asking question, but the fact that that sentence is really requesting somebody or someone is asking somebody to give him a few days for him or for her to be able to prepare. So, can you please give me a few days to prepare? So, nag-request siya a few days to prepare. So, muna siya nga that sentence is an imperative sentence. Okay, so, another example, can you please hand me the book? Can you please hand me the book? So, kana siya nga sentence, guys. Since, ana siya nga, can you please hand me the book? Nag-request siya o naghangyo siya sa isa ka tao nga ihatag sa iya ang book. So, it's a request. So, it is an example of an imperative sentence. Okay? Nagets siya og dili na to limtan, guys, ha, millennials, nga kani siya nga sentence, guys, nag-end po ni siya og period. So, same sa declarative, no, nag-end po din siya og period. So, ang ilan sigurong differences is, though they both ended up or ends up with the period, but their difference is that ang declarative ga-declare siya og fact, no? So walay mahitabo nga request, mga hangyo ana. So nag-declare lang siya kung sa tinuod, no? The fact iyang ga-declare. So muna siya ang declarative. So from the root word declarative. So declaring fact or stating fact. While ang imperative, guys, ga-end siya sa period, pero it is requesting, it's a form of sentence nga ga-request siya, gahangyo siya sa isa ka tao. Okay? Gets? Klaro? Alright, so let's do a short recap. First is declarative, second, interrogative, and the third type of sentence is imperative. Ayan. So, proceeding to our last type or to our fourth type of sentence. This is the exclamatory sentence. Okay. Exclamatory, guys. Unsa ni exclamatory? Ha, millennials. So, atong i-define. Exclamatory sentence is a type of sentence that expresses strong feelings by making an exclamation. So, what is an exclamation, by the way, Mr. English? What is exclamation? No, basically, exclamation point, kanang ana, guys, siya kanang sign. Okay. Pag sa isa ka sentence, makita mo ani nga sign, dapat ang inyong pag-express or pagbasa dapat in a strong feeling, no? Basta naan siya nga sign kani ang exclamation point. So, exclamatory sentence, this sentence ends up with with an exclamatory point, no? So, let's give an example. Usually sa gara guys, millennials ng mga sentence katang nakurat ka like, let's say for example nga, hala na sunog, so over akong pagkuhan, hala na sunog, or there's a fire upstairs, so medyo nakurat ka or medyo na surprise ka, nakurat ka, first surprise, nakurat. Kana sila nga mga kuan, guys, kana sila nga mga sentences, mo na sila ang exclamatory sentences. Okay, so nasabtan ba nga to ang fourth type of sentence, ang exclamation or exclamatory sentence. Alright, so let's do a short recap. First is declarative sentence. So, ga-declare og fact, no? From its root word, declare. Declarative sentence. Second, ang interrogative sentence. Ano sila ang sentence, guys, nagapangutana o nag-end ni siya sa question mark. Alright. And, of course, our third type of sentence is the imperative sentence. It also ends up with a period, pero this is a form of, this sentence is a form of, kanang ga-request ka, guys. Ga-request, or ga-command, dinana. Okay, gahangyo ka, kunuhay. So, muna siya katong imperative sentence, guys. And, lastly, our fourth is the exclamatory sentence. So, muna siya ang mga sentences na katong kuan, mga like na surprise, nakurat ka, nataranta ka, or kay masaba na murag mga nahitabo, So, kanang nakurat ka, guys, kay na-surprise ka, guys, kay nakadaog lugar kag loto, oh my God! Gana siya na. So, nagana siya exclamation point. So, that makes it an exclamatory sentence. Alright. So, nasabtan siya. Okay, so, I guess that's it, no? Sa karon nga video. So, hopefully, nag-learn mo. Though, short lang siya and basic lang siya. Pero, those sentences, those type of sentences, guys, will help you guys, kanang sa inyong daily conversation. Kaya, of course, nababutay kakatagbo, no, natay gakamit nga mga tao, gakonvo mo. So at least man lang sa inyong conversation kagamit mo mga kanang like expression sakto ang inyong pag-deliver o makabalo mo unsa na siya klase nga sentence. Okay, so for my next video, guys, for my next video, millennials, so I am still thinking of another topic, and I'd like to ask millennials, no, for your suggestion. So if na mo'y gusto i-suggest nga mga best or tsada nga mga topics para sa ako ang next video, please comment down below sa atong comment section. Ako nang basahon o akong pilian kung unsa akong unahon og nga topic sa atong next video. So hopefully you will like this video, guys, and hopefully you've learned something from this video. And please, before anything else, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Ayan na sa ubos kanang subscribe. Please i-click lang ang subscribe, and don't forget to like this video kanang naka thumbs up din, ha. I-click lang na, guys, and after that i-click po ninyo ang bell button na sa kilid sa subscribe nga word, guys, and pilian ninyo ang katong all. Ayaw tong customized yata to or personalized. Please select all after clicking the bell button. Ayan, dahan kayong salamat. So, kita-kita ta sunod. Hantod sa sunod, guys, na video, and hantod sa sunod pa nga mga teachings sa atong basic English. Ayan, thank you so much, millennials. Bye! Say bye to them, my English buddy. Bye!